Hello students, here we go ahead with the remaining question of exercise 10.3. This is the question number 4 where we have to find the distance between this point and this line. That means how far this distance is. Alright. First and foremost we have to bring this equation of straight line into the standard form. The standard form means this equation will write down the given line is 12x plus 72 is equal to 5y minus 10. So shifting everything to this side, we get 12x minus 5y, 72 plus 10 plus 82 equal to 0. So this is the standard equation of the line. So now if we want to find the distance, so I'll write down this point is P, this point is M. Therefore, PM is equal to, what is the formula? A alpha. So 12 into alpha ka value minus 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 82 divided by square root of 12 square plus 5 square and within the modulus sign. So therefore what we can see now the calculation we have done, where you can see minus 12 minus 5 is minus 17, 82 by minus 17 is 65 by 3 equal to 5 units. Hence the distance from this point to this line, this is 5 units. So this is the answer to question number 4. Next, question number 5. In this question, what they are asking, find points on the x-axis whose distance from this line are 4 units. So we know that any point on the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So we will assume let the point be a 0 because it is on the x-axis. And the given line, we will write down it in the standard form. The given line is, if we want to write in the standard form, the shortest method is, what we do, take the LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? It is 12, right? So multiply the whole equation by 12. So 4x plus 3y equal to 12. So I'll write down the given line is 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. So here we will get 12 which I have brought to the left side. So according to question, what they have given, the distance between this point and this line is 4 units. So what we will do, we will write down 4 into a plus 3 into 0 minus 12 upon square root of 4 square plus 3 square mod is equal to 4. And from this equation we have to find the value of a. So how you go about it? We see that this 4a minus 12, 4 square plus 6 square, 3 square, this will give us 25. So square root of 25, 5, which will be multiplied to 4. So here we will be left with 4a minus 12 equal to 4 into 5. Correct? So this would further imply, I'll divide the whole equation by 4. So it will be a minus 3 is equal to 5. If I divide the whole equation by 4. So if I want to remove this modulus sign, it will become a minus 3 is equal to plus minus 5. Because modulus function, all of us know what is the modulus function. Okay, it will always take the magnitude, that is the value. So if you remove the modulus sign, that means it is plus minus a. Now the remaining part I will do it here on the top. After this we will do in the top. That means either we will write down a minus 3 equal to 5. So a will be equal to a, or a minus 3 equal to minus 5. So a will be equal to minus 2. So we got two values of A. Therefore, what will be the required points now? So finally, the required points will be 8, 0 and minus 2, 0. So you might be wondering, how did you get the 2 points? Yes, the 2 points kaise aa gaye? Shall show it with the help of diagram. What we see in the diagram, this line, equation of this line, x by 3 y by 4 equal to 1. It is in intercept form, so x intercept I have taken as 3 because x by 3, y intercept I have taken as 4 because y by 4. Now from this point minus 2, 0, which is minus 2, 0, this point minus 2, 0. From here if I draw a perpendicular, so it will become 4 units. Similarly, this point 8, 0, if I take a perpendicular from here, so this will be also distant 4 units. So that is the reason of getting the two answers to this question. So I hope you are clear. Question number 5. Question number 6. We have to find the distance between these two parallel lines. So we will write down required distance. Required distance is equal to 31 minus 34 divided by square root of 15 square plus 8 square mod. So this is always the case when two parallel lines are there. We should take the difference between their constant and denominator में square root of the sum of the squares of the coefficient of x and y. So after calculation, what we see, 15 square plus 8 square, square root of 289, 17 and 31 plus 34, 65. So this is the answer to the first part of question number 6. Second part you can do in the similar way. I am going to the next question. Question number 7 mein what they are asking, we have to find equation of a straight line which is parallel to this line and passes through this point. We know that if two straight lines are parallel, their slopes are always same. So write down, let the line be. Let the line be 3x minus 4y plus k equal to 0. Because if I write down 3x plus 4y, then the slope will remain same, 3x minus, and this only constant will differ. That means two parallel lines, they differ by only constant here. Also it is given it passes through which point? Minus 2 and 3. So let us put the value of x as minus 2. Therefore 3 into minus 2, 4 into 3 plus k equal to 0. So this will become k equal to minus 6 and minus 12, 18. So k ka value comes out to be 18. So therefore required line is, what we have to do, this value of k we have to substitute here. That is 3x minus 4y plus 18 equal to 0. And this is the answer to question number 7. In question number 8, we have to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line and having x intercept 3. So what is the slope of this line? We will first write down, it is slope intercept form 7y x plus 5. So your y will be equal to 1 by 7x plus 5 by 7. So I have written the given equation in slope intercept form. That means we got the slope as 1 by 7. And we know that if two lines are perpendicular, their slope they relate with each other as m1 m2 equal to minus 1. So in this case we have to write down, therefore slope of the perpendicular line equal to minus 7. If it was 1 by 7, so that would be minus 7. And also one more information given to us, that line has x intercept 3. That we'll use later on. So write down, let the line be y equal to minus 7x plus some constant k. If you can find out the value of k, we are done. So how to find the value of k? We will use the additional information given to us. They have given us कि having x intercept 3. x intercept 3 का मतलब है it passes through the point 3 0. The line will cut the x axis at the point 3 0. So we'll write down it passes through 3 0. Therefore 0 equal to 7 3 plus k. So this implies k equal to 21. So let us put this value of 21 back in this equation and we will get the required answer. Hence the required answer is y equal to minus 7x plus 21. Shifting everything to the left side, 7x plus y minus 21 equal to 0. And this is the answer to question number 8. Question number 9 में we have to find the angle between these two lines. And what is the formula that we have written? Tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2 mod. So this was the formula, right? So to apply this formula, we have to identify what is m1 and m2. That means what is the slope of this line and what is the slope of the other line. We have to identify that. So for that, we have to write down both of them in the slope intercept form. We have written them in the slope intercept form. So m1, we can identify the slope of this line as minus root 3 and m2, the slope of the other line, minus 1 by root 3. So these are the values of m1 and m2. Now these values of m1 and m2, we have to substitute in this formula. So m2 minus m1, that is minus 1 by root 3 minus of minus root 3 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Multiplication of these two will give us only 1. So this will lead to the answer of theta. We have done the calculation. What I have found, that tan theta is coming out to be mod of root 3. So if I remove the modulus sign, that means tan theta has two values, plus minus 1 by root 3. So when you take tan theta as plus, what will get? Tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. Your theta will be necessarily 30 degree, that is pi by 6. When tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3, that means we have to push the angle in the second quadrant. That means theta will be equal to pi minus pi by 6, that is 5 pi by 6. And if you want to convert them in degree, so necessarily this is 30 degree and this is 150 degree. So this is the answer of question number 9. Question number 10 is somewhat like this. A line through these 2 points intersect this line at right angles. That means it is 90 degree. So if this is the case, what is the value of h? We have to find the value of h. What we will do? We will give name to A, this point B. So first and foremost, we will find out the slope of AB. Slope of AB, y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. 4 minus h. So minus 2 by 4 minus h. If I take care of the minus sign, 2 by h minus 4. So this is the slope of the line AB. And the slope intercept form, we can easily find out this slope intercept form 9y 7x minus 19, y is 7 by 9x minus 19 by 9. So what is the slope of the other line? The slope of the other line is 7 by 9. And we know that if two lines are perpendicular, their slope they relate as m1 m2 as equal to minus 1. So I'll write down, according to question, slope of this line twice of h minus 3 m1 m2 7 by 9 is equal to minus 1. And from this relation, you can find out the value of h. The calculation we have done, I have shifted this quantity to the right side. So it will become 9h and minus 36. And ultimately, the value of h comes out to be 22 by 9. So this is answer to question number 10. Question number 11 mein, what they have given, a line which is parallel to this line and passing through this line. If it happens, then there is a relationship given in the question. So how we go about it? We will write down, let the line be ax plus by plus k equal to 0. As we have discussed in our previous question, if two lines are parallel, they differ by the constant only. The coefficient of x and coefficient of y will remain same. Again it passes through this point. Which point? x1, y1. So it passes through x1, y1. Therefore, ax1 by1 plus k equal to 0. So k equal to minus ax1 minus by1. So this is the value of k. So this value of k we are going to resubstitute in this equation. Alright. So I'll write down required line is ax plus by minus the value of k, ax1 minus by1. So what you can write down this expression, if I take a common, x minus x1, if I take b common, y minus y1 equal to 0. And this is what they are telling us to prove.